want to stand, get in the picture? This is our place at Las Palmas here in Corozal. We moved from that big apartment to this tiny little space, but it's totally fine. It's all we needed, really. So yeah, it's got a queen size bed, a nice big TV, sort of a closet area, and you know me, I always unpack, so all of our stuff is set up and unpacked already. We have this nice long counter where I've set up sort of like my makeup station, our to-go station, food station. We have a little microwave and a fridge. This is our sink area that's got my hair station and our toothbrush station. This is the bathroom. It's got a nice big shower. Nice big step-in shower, toilet out here, and that's it. This is our little space here in Corozal. Yeah, little seated area, our shoe station, and you know, mommy's always with us. So we are gonna go and get some video of Corozal, right, bud?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. This is outside of our room. There's a nice little seating area here. They also have a huge like barbecue type patio area up here. And this is the hotel we're staying in is called Las Palmas, and it's decorated in a very Latin American style because we are so close to Mexico, so the vibe is very much like that. This is like all the parking area here. It is gated so that they do close it at night, so we're all safe and secure here. This is the front desk area, decorated very nicely. We are right across the street, as you can see, from the Corozal Bay, which we're gonna walk up to. This street seems to be one block over from sort of the main street here in Corozal. So we are pretty close to everything. Like the town square is just a few minutes. The water here is not the blue-green water that the sea has. In case you can't see, there's land across the way. I'm not exactly sure what that land is. This is sort of like the main road we've discovered, where everything is kind of off of this road, I believe. Again, we haven't been here long enough to get a good feel for the whole town of Corozal, but this is kind of what the streets we've been on mostly. We ran into the bank on this street, lots of shops on this street, and that's actually where we're headed, is to go check out some of these little clothing stores. But there's a lot of little shops here. A lot of stores were closed when we first arrived because of the hurricane, but things seem to be opening back up now. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on giving you some more of Corozal. So this is the Mirador Hotel. I think I considered staying there, but I thought it was a little pricey. And Smart is the cell phone service internet provider here in Belize. We've seen Smart all over. And yeah, lots of supermarkets on the street, little restaurants, and yeah, all these little boutiques, which we're going to check out today. There's actually a place called K&G, which is modeled after the K&G Superstore, which hopefully the video for that will go up soon. And I definitely want to check that place out to see if it is all American clothing in there and what the pricing is like. So the other day we popped in on Dr. Michael Parrish, who's the local chiropractor, just to get pricing. And the pricing was pretty reasonable. I think it was anywhere between $15 and $25 for an adjustment. And that's Belizean. So super inexpensive to get an adjustment. I'm pretty sure that was Belizean, right, buddy?
Yeah.
Because it was something like that. Might be even if it is US, $15 to $25 per adjustment is very affordable. And we're just coming up here to the Belizean Bank or Atlantic Bank, one or the other. We just need to get some cash in order to pay immigration. So that's what we're here for. We'll just go to the Atlantic Bank here. Oh, these are the tostadas.
It looks great.
Looks really good. And we got a orange juice. So out here in the park.
There's tons of kids out tonight.
Yeah, Saturday night. Lots of people out.
Yeah.
Trying to enjoy this lovely lady's food. So let's eat. Now I can finally get some video of the fountain. Hey buddy, having fun? Are you having fun? All right, go, 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 go. Yeah, a lot of rain, good rainbow.
Yeah.
That's a nice send-off for our last week here in Belize. I mean, in Corozal, not in Belize, but here in Corozal, since we are moving on in a few days back to the beach.
If you were here.
And this is the first time it's really rained. Oh no, the tropical storm.
Oh, yeah.
It's the first time it's rained since the tropical storm,
Yeah.
so It'll be nice to cool it down a little bit. Are you okay, sweetheart? Okay, we went down to the park, and the woman sells the hugest burritos ever. If you can imagine, this is my plastic knife. This is how big this burrito is. It's enormous. So the longest burrito ever made is 5 Belize. Oh, that's sauce on my hands. Which is $2.50 US for this enormous burrito. All freshly made ingredients, freshly made tortillas from fresh dough. We sat there and watched her put them on the grill and grill them up, and we got everything on it, which includes stewed chicken, and that's what the inside looks like. We asked for everything on it, and they delivered. So the protein is stewed chicken, and we have no idea what else is in it. We just asked for everything. And then all the other ingredients were fresh. So $5 Belizean dollars.
If you want to get the largest burrito in the world.
So today is a travel day. We are headed back to Placencia, and we are now at the Corozal boat dock, and the boat leaves at 7 a.m. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and we're excited to get back to the beach. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, let's travel.
Oh, yeah.
Saying farewell to Corozal for now. I'm sure we will be back. We enjoyed it here, but we do miss the beach, and we're excited to get back down there. So there's the Corozal sign. So see you later, Corozal. Till next time. Bye.